The autopsy took us about 3 hours. And essentially, at the second autopsy, there were a total of 8 gunshot wounds. A total of 8 gunshot wounds, meaning that he was hit by 8 bullets. Stephon Clark received 8 bullets. 6 of the bullets, like you could see in the body diagram, exhibited gunshot wounds of entrance in the back, meaning he was shot in the back 6 times. The 7th gunshot wound was slightly to the side of his body, but to the back of the side of his body. So you could reasonably conclude that he received 7 gunshot wounds from his back. He was shot from the back. The first bullet, sorry, not really the first bullet. The first gunshot wound was to the neck. The numbers do not indicate the sequence. The numbering is simply for representational purposes. But the gunshot wound of entrance of the neck came from the right back of the neck. It exited from the left side and back of the neck. Gunshot wounds 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 were clustered around his right back and his right shoulder. The trajectories of all these wounds were forward and leftward. And each one of these bullets independently possessed a fatal capacity.